Well, good morning, YouTubers. Today, I think I solved my problem that I had the other day, which was yesterday, installing this upgraded converter thing in my trailer. All in all, it went pretty dang simple. You know, the circuit board there and running the wires and things like that. The thing that perplexed me a little bit was this little bracket down here, so I'm going to do a little detail on this one here. The steps say in the instructions on the WFCO models, mine's an 8955. Step number 7 says attach the new adapter bracket to the power center using 2 screws. And step number 6. And it shows step number 6 above on the removal. But then I looked down at the bottom of the instructions there, and I got 4, 3, and 10, 7, 5, 15, 10, blah 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 blah. These are for other things there. And then I go to the next page over here, and not too much information on there. So I ended up calling Dennis at Progressive Diagnostics here, and we went round and round on the phone, and then finally my brain kicked in, I guess, you know, when I was back in the 70s manufacturing stuff and not inspecting it as my career was. I think the bracket goes in there like that, with the 2 little nubbies pointing outward from the box, and then hopefully when I send this box in there, it will attach to the 2 little holes on the front thing there. This thing actually will end up going in. Sorry for the jumpy video, but this will actually end up going this way here with the heat sink to the back of the unit. And then that bracket, the 2 little things, one goes in there and one goes in there. But again, I bought this little wizard thing here, and I'm pretty sure that plugs into right here on the board. So I'm going to attempt to do that. You know, you do process of elimination, one connector here, and 4 of this and 4 of that, and normally this one here goes up and plugs right up into there, which I think is connected to that little button there if you want to do it manually. But the place online where I bought it from was really nice to me also, and they threw this in, part of my package, so that's very cool. So I'm going to try to assemble this thing now, and I'll put this on the YouTube as a like I said, a detailed clarification thing just for that mounting bracket on there. I did, other guys change their wires one at a time. I had some labels, so I just did mine. It was pretty easy. I had one larger one down here that was not fitting in this very good. So I kind of had to do some monkey around to make that wire fit in there, but all in all, it should be good. By the by, I'm hoping for good things, and this will be a one of one or a one of some more, depending on how this whole thing here turns out after I put it all back together and apply some power to it. Alrighty. Anyway, 2018 North Trail Hartland 23 RBS converter upgrade. I'm running some bigger batteries, you know, some Trogen T-105s in it, and the stock converter just kind of put voltage into my batteries as it, you know, as it was designed to do, but, you know, there's no trickle charge thing set up or anything like that, so we'll see what happens on this. Wish me luck. Alrighty, talk to you soon.